안녕하세요, 여러분.
Hello
어,
everyone.
코로나 때문에 필리핀을 못 간 지가 벌써 1년이 지났습니다.
It's been more than a year that I was not able to travel to Philippines because of this pandemic.
저도 필리핀에서 애터미가 오픈하기 전부터 애터미 사업을 필리핀에서 시작을 했는데요. 여러분과 어쩌면 초기 멤버이기도 합니다.
I also see myself as a member of Atomy Philippines, because I also started my Atomy business also in the Philippines even before the foundation of Atomy Headquarters.
저도 코로나와 온라인 세미나 이전 오프라인 세미나로 진행이 될 때 항상 제가 필리핀에 있을 때는 세미나에 참석을 했는데 그때 봤던 분들을 지금 화면으로 보니까 정말 반갑고 좋습니다.
And I always have been attending different seminars in the Philippines, like Success Academy and one-day seminars. And all the leaders who are attending this Zoom together, I'm happy to see you all today.
작년에 필리핀도 코로나고요. 한국도 코로나고 여전히 거기도 코로나, 여기도 코로나입니다. 그런데 저는 감사하게도 20년도에 로얄 리더스에 들어왔고 로얄 마스터에 승급을 할 수 있는 그런 영광을 가질 수 있는 시간이 되었습니다.
Okay, so last year, right, we start to have this COVID-19 pandemic here in Korea, also there in the Philippines, and even this year, 2021, we experienced the same pandemic. But I'm very honored to inform you that I became a Royal Leaders Club member, okay, last year, 2020, and I promoted to a Royal Master.
너무나도 감사했습니다. 올해 5월 달은 한국에서 우리가 소득을 신고하는 달인데요. 제가 19년도보다 20년도의 소득이 더 많아졌더라고요.
And I was very happy to see the amount of tax that I had to pay last year, 2020, compared to the previous year, 2019, right? I had to pay a lot more taxes compared to the previous years.
저는 애터미 사업을 하기 전에 15년 정도 저의 사업을 했습니다.
Before I start my Atomy business, I had my own business for 15 years.
애터미 사업도 열심히 하지만 제 사업도 정말로 열심히 했습니다.
So even how I'm passionate here in Atomy, I also was very passionate when I was a business owner for the last 15 years.
제가 15년 사업을 하면서 30대 후반에 제가 몸이 반쪽이 마비가 되는 이런 병이 왔습니다.
But after running my business for 15 years, before I start Atomy business, right, half of my body got paralyzed and I had to confine in the hospital.
그런데 그때 몸이 반쪽이 마비가 오고 너무 힘들어도 그래도 죽어라 일만 하는 거예요.
So even half of my body was paralyzed, right? But I still had to get report from my employees, and I still had to work.
그리고 조금 더 나아지고 다시 또 일을 하다가 제가 또 큰 병을 얻게 됩니다. 수술을 하면서 이제 제가 모든 일을 내려놓게 됐습니다.
So I was still go back and forth to my office to run the business, right, with my employees. But then after how many months, then I got another disease that I have to be operated, right? So that's the time I really had to stay long in the hospital, and that was the time that I had to stop everything with my business.
그렇게 병을 얻어서 치료하는 과정 중에 해모임을 선물 받게 됐고요. 저는 해모임을 정말 체험을 크게 했어요. 너무 좋았어요.
And that was my first time. Okay, some of my friends gave me a hemohim as a gift, right? And then I was taking it for the first time, and I really saw the effect. I really felt the effect of hemohim.
여러분들은 아주 가끔씩 애터미 제품에 대해서 한번 생각해 보세요. 내가 쓰고 있는 샴푸, 내가 쓰고 있는 치약, 먹고 있는 해모임, 이 제품이 어떤 제품인지 여러분 한번 생각해 보세요.
Okay, so also with you, okay, also for you, I want you to do this, okay? Not only use the product, right? Consume the product of Atomy, but sometimes please think about what are Atomy products, okay? What are the ingredients? What are the effect? Okay, so think about it, like the supplements that you're taking, right? And different personal care product that you're using every day.
저는 누가 애터미 회원을 가입시킨 게 아니라 회사에 전화해서 제가 찾아서 가입한 사람이었습니다. 그래서 아무도 저에게 해모임이 어떻다고 이렇게 말을 해주는 사람이 없었어요. 그럼에도 제가 먹어보고 가격을 지불하면서 굉장한 경쟁력이 있는 것을 알 수 있었습니다.
Okay, maybe not like you. Okay, nobody actually approached me to be the member of Academy. Okay, I just got Hemohim as my gift, right, when I was combining. And I had to call the company for me to sign up a register, right, a registration as a membership. And that's how I joined. So nobody was explaining of effect or ingredients of Hemohim and where was this developed, right? But I was still happy to pay the price for Hemohim. And because I really experienced the good effect of Hemohim.
여러분들도 꼭 해모임이 아니라 하더라도 여러분들이 가장 많이 쓰고 있는 애터미 제품 몇 가지만 이 경쟁력을 생각해 본다면 여러분들이 이 사업이 얼마나 찬스인지를 여러분들이 알게 될 거예요.
So even if you're not taking Hemoin, but maybe some other products, right? You're or consumer of Atomy product, and I want you to think about the benefit or advantage while you're using the product while being an Atomy consumer. And if you understand about that benefits and advantages, then you'll be more confident, right? Doing this business with Atomy.
저는 애터미 사업을 하기 전에는 직원들에게 보험을 넣어줘야 했고 월급을 줘야 했고 복지를 해줘야 했습니다. 그리고 사업이 안 되면 스트레스도 받아야 했습니다. 근데 애터미 사업을 하면서는 이 모든 게 하나도 없어요. 그냥 열심히 하는데 내가 정말 혼자 열심히 하는데 한 달에 2천만 원 넘는 소득을 지금 받고 있는 거예요.
Okay, so before I start Atomy business, right? I was business owner for 15 years. That time I had many employees that I had to pay to, right? And I have to pay them every month, right? And I have to get their insurance and I have to get all this stress whenever the business go slow, right? But after starting Atomy business, I don't have all this stress. I don't have to pay anyone. I don't have to get anyone's insurance and I don't have to get any stress from this.
저는 애터미 사업을 모를 때는 모를 수가 있어요. 그런데 애터미 정보를 듣고도 애터미를 알아보다가도 왜 그만두지? 정말 안타까워요.
Okay, so and I'm earning big amount of income here in this business, right? And I want you to study about this business. And I don't really understand those people who learn about this, who study about this company and this business, and who are not still willing to join the business.
답은 아직도 정확한 애터미를 모른다예요. 그래서 오늘 제가 여러분들에게 이 시대 우리에게 지금 얼마나 애터미가 기회인지를 알려주는 그 시간을 가져보도록 하겠습니다.
Okay, so it means that even though you said you're studying, right, this business, you know all the information about this business, but if you're still not sure of doing this business or not, so I want you to listen to my presentation that I'll be giving you, okay, today's lecture to show you what is the core, okay, meaning and essence of doing this business.
자, 여러분, 지금은 100세 시대라고 하죠. 우리가 오래 살아야 되니까 미래를 잘 준비해야 합니다.
Okay, so many are calling this era as 100 years life, right? 100 years life. That'll be the lifespan, and we have to prepare better than our parents' generation.
그리고 우리가 성공하기 위해서는 지금의 시대가 어떻게 변화되고 있는지를 알아야만이 기회를 잡을 수가 있습니다.
So for you to prepare yourself better, okay, we have to be good in seeing the changes in era, right? Era situation, what are the new trends? You have to good in seeing that.
자, 여러분 알아놓으세요. 지금은 4차 산업 시대입니다. 4차 산업은 발전의 기회를 가져왔습니다.
Okay, so maybe you heard about this, okay? We are now in a fourth industrial revolution, okay? And many things are being improved and many things are being developed.
그리고 정말로 갑작스럽게 코로나가 우리 옆에 지금 와 있습니다.
Okay, so we are now still in fourth industrial revolution, but we had some unexpected crisis, which is COVID-19 virus.
4차 산업은 기회이지만 코로나 바이러스는 위기입니다. 이 두 가지가 우리 삶에 큰 변화를 가져왔는데요. 그게 바로 언택트 경제입니다.
Okay, so fourth industrial revolution, which will develop many things in our life and everything, that can be an opportunity, right? But we had our unexpected crisis, which is COVID. That's what we call crisis. So it had just a change, start of new era, which is virtual contact economy, what we call on-tech economy.
자, 4차 산업 시대라고 하는 건 여러분 어때요? AI가 인공지능이 사람이 하는 일을 많이 대신하고 있는 거. 이 바로 AI 경제이기도 합니다.
Okay, so what's the feature? Okay, features of fourth industrial revolution are AIs, right? Artificial intelligence are taking over many workplaces that human, right? Us, like we're working in this factory and other workplaces, but many artificial intelligence are taking over our workplaces.
한국에 이런 패스트푸드점이 있습니다. 들어가서 내가 주문을 합니다. 기계에 주문을 합니다. 그리고 메뉴를 선택하게 되면 햄버거가 거기에 맞는 햄버거가 나오는 거예요. 사람은 아예 없습니다. 이게 인공지능이 바로 일을 대신하고 있는 이런 상황이 바로 4차 산업혁명입니다.
So if you're talking about artificial intelligence taking over our workplaces, it sounds kind of too far. But let's think about this fast food restaurants. Okay, if you go to a fast food restaurant and you want to order a burger, right? Okay, you don't have to go to the teller or the staff in the burger restaurant, but you just have to click on the screen, right? And you will have your burger ready.
그리고 사람들이 이제 더 이상 만나는 것보다 온라인에서 만나는 거를 더 익숙하고 더 자주 만나게 되어 있습니다.
And especially this time of pandemic, in fourth industrial revolution, right? People are not really fond of seeing others in person, right? But they have more linkage and sharing of time in online.
여러분들도 어때요? SNS, 페이스북에서 여러분들 더 많이 친구들을 보고 있지 않나요?
What about you? What about your life here in the Philippines? Isn't it that you meet more people in Facebook than in person, right?
그래서 4차 산업은 연결과 공유라는 두 가지 키워드로 대표할 수가 있는 겁니다.
Okay, so the two main keywords for fourth industrial revolution can be linkage and sharing.
온라인이 더 강화되고 더 중요해졌다는 얘기예요.
It means that online platforms, okay, are becoming more important than any other time before.
자, 지금도 우리 옆에 있는 코로나는 전 세계에 커다란 경제적 충격을 만들었습니다.
Okay, so economic shock due to COVID-19. We're still in this pandemic due to COVID-19, and this is the graph of economic, right? Like different countries, that it's a big shock for all the economies.
많은 나라들이 마이너스 성장을 했고 이동과 대면을 금지시키는 락다운이 걸렸습니다.
Okay, not only decrease and negative graph, okay, in economy, but there are many countries are locked down, right? And they're not allowing their citizens to travel to other places in their country or to other countries.
자, 이런 코로나가 여러분 우리를 뭘 만들었습니까? 비대면 시대를 만들어 버렸습니다.
So this is the change that I was talking about earlier. Okay, with this unexpected crisis, okay, we have our lifestyle change, okay, which is contactless era. Okay, this is untech.
직장인들은 재택근무를 합니다. 온라인 하나만 있으면 되는 거예요. 학생들은 온라인 하나만 있으면 됩니다. 온라인으로 수업을 받습니다.
Okay, so for employees, okay, what do they need? Okay, they need internet connection for them to work from home, right? And agile working. Okay, so that's what they need, internet connection, which is online. What about students, right? They don't have to go to the school to join the class. They can take online classes and flip learning.
자, 그리고 또 하나, 온라인 쇼핑이 증가해서 소비자들은 집에서 쇼핑하는 시대가 되었습니다.
What about consumers, right? We're using daily necessities and they don't have to go to the big stores, department stores, no need, right? Because they'll be ordering products from online, so increase in online shopping.
자, 우리는 여러분 온라인 사업자들이에요. 맞죠? 애터미 온라인 사업자들, 이 온라인 쇼핑이 증가했다는 것을 주목하시기 바랍니다.
And I want you to focus on this last thing, okay? As a consumer, increase in online shopping because we are all doing our Atomy online shopping mall business, right? So this is the thing that you really have to put your focus.
자, 온라인 쇼핑이 이렇게 급증하는 이유가 생필품을 나가지 않으니까 사람들이 쇼핑에 더 시간을 많이 쓰게 되고 생필품을 대면하지 않고 온라인으로 구매하다 보니까 온라인이 이렇게 폭주한 거예요.
Okay, so explosive expansion of online shopping market because they don't have to prepare themselves to go out to the malls, right? Go out to the department stores. So they like to just take a look of every product in online shopping malls, and it gives the explosive expansion of online shopping market.
우리가 코로나 상황 때문에 애터미 사업이 안 돼요 그러는데 이 상황을 모르고 기존의 방법으로 사업을 진행하기 때문에 핀트가 안 맞는 거예요, 지금.
Okay, so the difference, okay, the hardship struggles is coming from because of our understanding. Okay, so we're doing our online business, and now it's pandemic, so they have increase in online sales, right? But what's happening to us? Okay, we're having a hard time. Many of our members are saying that the reason why they cannot grow their group is because it's time of pandemic, right? They cannot go around and see people because they were doing their online business as offline way.
온라인 쇼핑은 여러분 증가했습니다. 소비자들은 그대로 생필품을 쓰고 있습니다. 그들에게 여러분, 여러분의 애터미 마트를 알려주세요.
Okay, so even it's a pandemic or not, okay, before pandemic, post pandemic, okay, it's not important. Many, okay, all of us are using daily necessities, right? Anyway, so they'll be still buying their things, right, from malls or online shopping malls.
아직도 많은 사람들이 여러분 생필품 구매하는 거를 애터미 마트를 알려주지 않으면 본인들의 일반 마트에서 소비를 하게 되죠. 그런데 거기는 포인트가 여러분 0.2%밖에 캐시백이 되지 않아요.
Okay, so let's talk about this. You are owner of your own Atomy store, right? But if you don't let your friends or neighbors know that you're owner of your store, Atomy store, then they'll still go to other ordinary stores outside, right, to shop. And what's their loyalty point rate? Is only average of 0.2%.
일반 마트에서 그 소비 포인트 0.2%를 적립한다고 했을 때 2년 정도 썼을 때 우리가 밥 한 끼 정도 먹을 수 있는 이 돈이 캐시백이 됩니다.
Okay, let's say you're accumulating, okay, 0.2% of loyalty points, okay, and let's say you'll be accumulating for around 2 years. Maybe your whole family can go out and dine out, right, with that return in rates.
자, 그런데 여러분 주변의 사람들이 애터미 안에서 자고 뜨고 할 때마다 눈을 뜨고 자고 할 때마다 필요한 생필품을 애터미에 쓴다면 여러분 어떤 일이 일어날까요?
Okay, but what will happen, okay, if everyone, all the consumers will be changing and switching their brand to Atomy, okay, and they'll be voluntarily repurchase Atomy products, okay, even when they're washing, right, when they're eating, when they're wearing something, when they're sleeping, there'll be right, some things or products that we'll be using all the times.
우리가 쓰는 소비만으로도 캐시백이 많이 되고요. 누군가가 다른 사람에게 알려준다면 이 캐시백의 파이는 점점 커지면서 저처럼 여러분 올 2천만 원 받는 소득도 가능하다는 얘기예요.
Okay, my income here in Atomy is 1 million peso per month, okay, every month. Then what's happening? Because I also I have a lot of consumer and families, right, who change and who switch their brand to Atomy, and while they're washing, eating, wearing, sleeping, right, everywhere, everything, they'll be using Atomy product, and the points will be accumulated from them.
우리가 애터미 사업을 여러분 어렵다고 그러는데 순서나 방법을 잘 모를 때 어렵다고 느낍니다.
Okay, maybe some of you or many of you will still have hard time understanding about the concept of this business. But if you know this process, right, like what are the steps, then you'll be easily understand this.
자, 제가 애터미 사업을 하면서 했던 방법을 여러분들에게 이 한 페이지를 통해서 알려드리겠습니다.
Okay, so this graph and this picture here, okay, this line here will explain everything. Okay, what's my past 10 years, right, of my Atomy business.
저는 여러분들이 내가 필요한 제품을 정말 내 마트에서 애터미 내 마트에서 다 쓰고 있는가 먼저 소비자가 되어야 한다고 말하고 싶어요.
Okay, so first of all, right, you first have to check. Okay, ask yourself, are you really an Atomy consumer? Okay, are you changing your brands and did you try some of Atomy's products?
저의 애터미 마트에서 이렇게 많은 인컴이 나오는 것처럼 여러분의 인컴을 많이 받고 싶다면은 첫 번째 나의 애터미 마트의 주인이 되어라. 모든 필요한 걸 여기서 다 써라.
Okay, so first, if you really want to have the income, passive income like me, like about a million peso every month, right, from your store, your Atomy store, then you first have to be the owner of your own Atomy store.
그리고 여러분의 파트너들이 성공시키고 싶은 파트너가 있다면 애터미 사업을 정말 이 순서대로 알려주셔야 돼요. 먼저 소비자가 되어라.
Okay, so and also same for your partners. Okay, if you want to invite this person and you really want this person to be succeeded in Atomy business, then you have to explain in this text.
애터미 사업은 여러분 정보를 전달하는 일입니다. 누군가를 설득하는 일입니다.
Okay, and it's all about like sharing, introducing information, products, right, and sharing information and knowledge.
그런데 우리가 이 애터미 제품에 대한 정보를 전달해야 되는데 머리로만 배워서 전달해서 이 치약이 정말 좋아. 나는 쓰지 않으면서 전달하는 이 치약 정보는 설득력을 잃어요. 그러나 내가 써보고 내 체험을 가지고 전달하게 되면은 고객이 설득이 됩니다.
Okay, so let's say you are trying to explain, okay, about this product, okay, this let's say toothpaste, okay, you're explaining to your prospect, okay, prospect consumer to try this toothpaste, but you never tried, okay, this Atomy's toothpaste, and you only can explain the ingredients and effect and everything, but without your experience, and that's not convincing at all, right? But it's really different when you really try the toothpaste of Atomy, then you will have more convincing power.
자, 두 번째는 내가 이 제품에 대한 체험이 있다면 이 정보를 가지고 내가 아는 주변의 사람들을 마트 체인지를 시키세요.
Okay, so after you become an owner of your own Atomy store, after you experience some of the product, then it's time for you to change and time for your friends, neighbors, families to change their brand.
저는 여러분, 애터미 제품을 전달할 때 처음에야 당연히 제 사업을 크게 하기 위해서 사업을 시작했겠죠. 그리고 열심히 했겠죠. 그런데 어느 순간 이 제품에 대한 체험이 너무 많으니까 누구를 만나도 애터미 제품을 얘기해주고 싶어요. 그분들에게 도움이 되기 때문에.
Of course, I started Atomy business, okay, for me to like grow bigger in this business and receive some of my pension income, right? That was my purpose of starting this business. But after I myself, okay, became a consumer of these products, okay, Atomy's product, after I switched my brand, everything to Atomy, okay, I really have a lot of experience on every product. So whoever, okay, I'm going to talk to, okay, whomever, I can convince them with different kinds of products.
애터미 제품은 여러분 품질이 정말 좋아요. 가격도 정말 착합니다. 여러분들이 이 정보를 주변에 전달하게 되면은 이분들이 마트 체인지를 하면서 도움이 되고 그들이 계속 쓰다 보면은 분명히 제품이 너무 좋아 애용자가 됩니다.
Okay, so this is the essence of doing this business. Okay, because we have our slogan as absolute quality, absolute price, right? Products. So with these absolute products, you can easily convince them, right, to try the product. And after they become a consumer of Atomy product, maybe you don't need your effort, okay, for them to work. They'll really satisfied to be a consumer and they'll have their mind to start up a business.
자, 애용자가 됐으면 여러분, 자, 소개를 받아내기 시작을 하세요.
So after
애용자가 되면 PV가 포인트가 적립이 되면서 수당이 나오기 시작을 합니다.
So after you become an auto consumer, right? Okay, you're the one who's going to repurchase on your own, okay, for you to try different kinds of product and you're introducing the product, then one day you'll see your accounts that you receive a commission from the company.
애터미 보상 플랜을 여러분 잘 공부를 해보세요. 가슴이 뛰어서 잠이 안 올 겁니다. 이런 방법이 있어. 이게 가능해? 그 생각이 들 거예요.
Okay, if you really closely study about Atomy's compensation plan, okay, if you really have a good understanding about like how it works, then maybe you cannot sleep tonight. Okay, you cannot sleep tonight because your heart will beat fast. Okay, and you're in this company and you'll be compensated with this plan.
애터미 사업을 시작하려고 하는 사람에게 저는 모두가 성공할 수 있다고 얘기를 합니다. 왜? 제품의 경쟁력을 알고 보상 플랜 시스템을 알기 때문입니다.
Okay, whoever, okay, I meet, okay, for the first time, if they have interest of trying our product or start up a business, I will tell everyone that anyone can be succeeded in this business. Why? Because I know the quality and the price of our product, and I know how the compensation plan of Atomy works.
자, 애터미 보상 플랜의 특징, 무한 단계, 무한 누적, 무한 공유. 여러분 이거 아시나요?
So you know about our concept of our business, right? Unlimited lineage, right? Unlimited level, unlimited accumulation, right? This is what we are applying. So you can register up to how many, okay? How many you want, okay? And all the points will be accumulated to you.
네, 이 보상 플랜을 가지고 후원 수당을 받기 시작을 하고 알리는 일을 했더니 어느 순간 비즈니스 파트너들이 나오기 시작을 했습니다.
Okay, so I became an auto consumer, right? And I tried to receive how many commission because I was very diligent, right? Introducing and convincing my friends or families to try this product. And finally, I start to have some business partners in my group.
여러분들이 사업이 진도가 안 나갈 때는 일하는 방법을 점검해 보시기 바랍니다. 무언가가 놓치고 있기 때문에 진도가 안 나가는 거지 애터미 사업이 안 돼서 진도가 안 나가는 게 아니에요.
Okay, so this is perfect system, okay, the structure made from the company, created by the company. So if you are stuck in one of this process, okay, one of this step, I want you to look back on yourself and try to figure out what are you missing? What are you missing? Okay, it's not about the system of the company, it's not about the progress, but it's really you who's missing out something out of this.
저는 맨 처음에 애터미 사업을 할 때 1년을 제가 실수를 한 게 있습니다. 시간을 낭비해 버렸죠. 회사 시스템에 조인되지 않고 제가 열심히 소비자 만드는 거기까지만 열심히 일을 했던 거예요.
Okay, I'm not saying I didn't experience anything from this. I also missed out one big thing that for my very first year in Atomy, that I missed out. Okay, I didn't attend any of company's seminar. Okay, I was just focusing on, like I was very diligent, busy making my friends or neighbors to be a consumer, try to sell more product, but I never attended any seminar for my first year in Atomy.
여러분들이 사업을 하겠다, 성공하고 싶다 그러면은 꼭 회사 시스템에 조인되기 바랍니다.
Okay, so it's really the key point of this that you really have to attend all the system and all the educational program that especially conducted by the company. Okay, plug into Atomy system.
회사 시스템은 여러분 스폰서가 운영하는 그룹 시스템도 있고요. 그리고 회사가 진행하는 원더이 석세스 이 모든 세미나에 여러분들이 조인돼야 돼요.
Okay, so there are a few different kinds, okay, of education program or seminars that you can attend. Okay, one thing is like prepared by the company, right? We have one-day seminars and this kind of online success academy that you can attend. But you also have your groups, right? Your groups meeting, your daily meetings with your sponsors. That's one thing you can attend also.
저는 여러분 조금 전에 필리핀 세미나에 제가 석세스 세미나에 들어와서 맘 리제 강의하는 걸 들으면서 저도 메모를 정말 열심히 했거든요. 우리 초보 파트너들에게 알려주고 싶은 얘기가 내용이 아주 많았어요.
And earlier I was listening to, it's my first time to attend Philippines Online Success Academy, but I was taking my notes when Ma'am Lizel was explaining her lecture, right? I had a lot to take notes because I really want to teach or educate my partners who are starting new, right?
저도 오늘 회사의 석세스 세미나에 조인되어서 로얄 마스터지만 또 우리 파트너들 눈높이로 배우면서 더 정확한 안내를 할 수가 있는 거예요.
Okay, of course, I'm a member of Loyal Leaders Club. I'm Royal Master, but I'm proving that I still have some lessons, right, to learn. Okay, by joining this company's seminar. So you must attend this.
자, 그리고 우리가 시스템에 조인돼서 여러분들이 이런 시스템에서 애터미 시스템에 대해서 배우게 되죠. 그러면 나의 아이디 다운으로 나의 시스템을 구축하는 겁니다.
Okay, so after you start to join the company's seminar, your groups or sponsor seminar and meetings, then you'll get to learn, right? Okay, this is how it goes and everything. And you'll start to have your partners in your group, right? Under you. And that's the time you have to apply to you and to your group. You have to make your own, okay, own group system.
여러분, 저는 이 줌 세미나를 하면서 화면으로 누가 들어와 있는가 항상 저희 파트너들을 봐요. 그리고 리더는 당연히 들어와 있어야 되는데 리더가 안 들어와 있다 그러면 제가는 기대를 안 하게 됩니다. 왜? 성공을 못 해요.
Okay, so one thing I'm monitoring every time, okay, I'm attending this kind of seminar, okay, I'll make the gallery view, okay, I'll check all the participants who are joining this seminar, okay, and especially like leaders, I want to see them attending this kind of company seminar. If I don't see them joining this kind of seminar, I'm sorry, but I have to, like, I have such a disappointment, right? And I start not to expect from them.
세미나에 오지 않은 스폰서는 얘기합니다. 세미나 안 가도 돼, 중요하지 않아. 그렇게 얘기하고요. 세미나가 중요하다고 생각하는 사람들은 파트너 보고 항상 세미나에 오자고 얘기를 합니다. 그러면 여러분 어때요? 앉아서 회사 시스템에서 배우는 사람과 회사 시스템에 조인되지 않고 배우지 않는 사람 중에 누가 성공을 하겠냐고요. 배우는 사람이 성공을 하는 거죠.
Okay, so those sponsors who's not attending any of its seminar, okay, our seminar, they'll be educating their partners. Okay, attending seminar is not important. Okay, you don't have to attend if you're busy. Okay, but what about those sponsors who are really attending every time? Okay, all the seminars, all the meetings conducted by the company and the group, they will always explain about importance of joining seminars, all the seminars, right? So it's obvious for you to answer. Okay, which group will grow faster? The ones who's attending seminar or who's not attending any of seminars?
자, 나의 시스템이 구축되면 이걸 파트너에게 그대로 내가 배운 올바른 방법을 복제시키면 여러분은 점점 성공자가 되어가는 것입니다.
Okay, so everyone will repeat this circle, right? Okay, so you first have to join all the companies and your group seminars and the system, education system. You have to build your own, right, system with your partners, and you have to duplicate this. Okay, your partners, okay, will duplicate this from you, and same thing goes over again. Okay, then you will start to grow your group bigger.
자, 애터미는 여러분 누구 애터미 사업을 플랫폼 빅 비즈니스 사업이라고 얘기를 하세요. 애터미는 플랫폼 비즈니스이기도 합니다.
Okay, and Atomy also can be called as platform business. Okay, and this is big business. I want you to explain Atomy business like this.
애터미 이 플랫폼 안에는 여러분 생산자와 소비자 그리고 전 세계의 생산자와 소비자를 연결해 주는 일을 하고요. 전 세계 소비자들이 들어와 있는 플랫폼이기도 합니다.
Okay, why do we call this platform business? Because we are connecting, okay, the manufacturer of different countries and different products, right? And we have millions of consumers, right? As member of Atomy Business, so we are connecting the manufacturer, right, the factories of the product, and the consumers, the users of the product. So we're platform business.
애터미 이 플랫폼 안에 여러분 각 개인들이 연결돼서 하는 이 어마무시한 여러분 플랫폼이에요.
Okay, so this is not a small business, right? This is big business, big platform, right? Because it connects, right? Everyone in different countries. Okay, millions of members in different countries. It connects everyone.
그리고 이 안에서 발생되는 수익도 우리는 공유하는 시스템입니다.
Not only connecting the consumers and the manufacturer of the products, but we're also, right, consumers and the ones who's introducing, who's sharing, right? We'll share the profit made from this platform.
애터미 사업이 여러분 4차 산업 시대에 정말 잘 맞는 연결과 공유를 바로 실현하는 시스템입니다.
Okay, so we can easily say that Atomy business is perfect business model for this fourth industrial revolution because we're connecting, right? And we're sharing the profit together, okay, by doing this business.
자, 애터미는 여러분 인공지능과 빅데이터 기술 기반으로 해서 애터미는 특허를 여러분 가지고 있습니다.
Okay, so with this, actually, Atomy is patented with these two technologies. With artificial intelligence and big data tech, Atomy acquired two different types of patents. Okay, one is tool method of audit, and another one is enclosed type of electronic commerce.
그래서 애터미는 일반 유통하고도 다르고요. 지금까지의 네트워크 마케팅과도 다른 시스템입니다.
So Atomy is really different. It's a new business model. Okay, it's really different from other network or MLM business. Okay, it's really way different from the old business before.
자, 우리는 이 특허받은 이 플랫폼을 모두 여러분 공짜로 받으셨죠? 여러분의 아이디에 그 플랫폼이 돌아가고 있습니다.
Okay, so all this, okay, AIs and big data tech, everything is applied to your platform. Okay, and you're given it for free. Okay, did you pay anything to become a member of Atomy? But you are already the owner of your own platform.
우리가 모두 각 회원들에게 자신들만의 이 퍼스널 플랫폼을 애터미를 통해서 연결되게 만들어 놓은 퍼스널 플랫폼 비즈니스가 가능합니다.
Okay, so we call it APPB, which is Atomy Personal Platform Business. That Atomy is also connecting all the platform that it was given to you for free, right? And you're owner of your own platform, and Atomy is the one who's connecting all the platforms that you have.
저는 이 필리핀에서도 이 플랫폼을 가지고요. 공짜로 받은 이 플랫폼을 가지고 필리핀에서 플랫폼 사업을 했습니다. 저는 물류도 세금도 인건비도 보험도 아무것도 신경 쓰지 않았어요. 왜? 회사가 모든 것을 다 해주는 이 퍼스널 플랫폼을 저에게 주었기 때문에.
Okay, not only in Korea but also in the Philippines. Okay, I was given my platform, free platform, like in the Philippines, right? And I didn't have to pay anyone, right? I didn't have to think about getting insurance for them, for my members, for my partners. I didn't like think of any tax, right, that I have to pay because company is the one, right, who's getting all the products from Korea and different countries and who are insured, right, by the insurance companies and who are paying tax for me.
여러분들이 공짜로 받은 이 퍼스널 플랫폼을 놀리고 있지는 않나요? 활용하지 못하고 있는 거 아닌가요?
And now this is a question for yourself. Okay, you can ask this question. So you're given this high-tech technology, right, platform for free. Okay, but are you using it wisely? Are you using it every day?
자, 4차 산업 코로나 변화와 위기를 가지고 여러분들에게 안내를 했습니다.
Okay, so we talked about the fourth industrial revolution that we're in. This is the era, right? We're belonging, and the unexpected crisis, which is COVID-19 and this pandemic. So this is the new change that we have to adopt ourselves.
그리고 애터미 사업을 선택을 해서 내가 소비자부터 시작을 해서 어떻게 이 사업을 키워 나가야 되는지 설명드렸습니다.
And I have just explained, like you can start as a consumer of one product of Atomy and brand switching for you to be the auto consumer and start sharing the information and the knowledge and receive commission to be a business partner.
여러분의 이 퍼스널 플랫폼이 얼마나 빅 비즈니스인지 말씀드렸습니다.
And I have explained the importance of having this kind of personal platform. And even it's for free, right? But it's really important for you to be the owner of these own platforms.
저도 여러분 애터미 사업을 처음 시작하고 결정하게 된 게 세미나 가서 박한길 회장님 강의를 들으면서 더 확신이 생기기 시작을 했어요.
I still remember that I was really encouraged one day. Okay, I was attending company seminar in Korea, and I was listening to the lecture of our CEO Park, right? So I was really motivated.
박한길 회장님은 말씀하십니다. 이 노후대 측의 유일한 대안은 애터미뿐이라고.
Okay, and he was emphasizing that almost only retirement alternative for us, which is Atomy pension income. This can be the almost only retirement alternative for us.
자, 여러분 어떠신가요? 애터미가 비전이 되시나요?
So, were you motivated? Okay, did I encourage you for you to do see the vision in Atomy?
애터미를 처음 알아보기 시작했을 때 여러분 3개월 동안 정말 두근두근 했었어요. 와, 이거 대박이다. 해봐야 되겠다.
My very first 3 months in Atomy after I joined, okay, my heart was beating because I was studying about this system, compensation plan, how the product being manufactured and everything. I was not able to sleep.
그러나 두려웠습니다. 제가 믿을 만한 사람이 애터미를 나에게 전달해 주는 것도 아니고 제가 유통을 해본 것도 아니고 정말 이 다단계라는 걸 처음 시작을 해야 되는데 너무 두려웠어요. 이 일을 할 수 있을까?
So while I was studying about this company and the system, right, structure, I was so my heart was beating fast. But at the same time, I was kind of afraid because it's my really first time to do network marketing business, and there's no one who's going to assist me or support me with this.
제가 두려웠던 건 뭐냐면은 이 익숙하지 않은 일을 하는 방법을 제가 모르는 것 때문에 두려웠던 거예요.
The thing that I was afraid of is because not something else, not some restriction that I see, but the fact that I didn't have any experience before of working in network marketing business.
얼마나 많은 시간을 써야 이 일을 배울 수 있을까? 얼마나 많은 돈을 써야 내가 이 일을 마스터할 수 있을까? 그 생각을 하면서 정말 열심히 했습니다.
My only concern was how long will it take for me to learn, right? And be trained, be educated about this system, about the vision in this company, and how much do I have to spend? How much do I have to invest, right? For me to fully understand about how the business goes.
사람들이 제 사업을 말리고 거절하는 거 두렵지 않았어요. 왜? 좋고 싼 걸 너한테 전달하는데 왜? 그런 건 상관이 없었어요.
And I didn't really mind about sharing or introducing our products because I'm introducing something very good, right? Absolute products to others, to my friends and family. So I didn't feel sorry asking them to buy a product for me. Okay, I was very confident.
저는 여러분 그 두려움을 어디서 해결을 했냐면은 세미나에 와서 성공자들의 일하는 방법을 배우면서 제가 그 모든 불안한 게 사라지고 그렇게 시작을 했더니 1년 반 만에 1,000만 원 리더스가 바로 되더라고요.
Okay, so but I was really encouraged and motivated while I was attending, right, company's seminar, and I've been hearing from different successful individuals, right, in Atomy. They were talking about their past, and they also had the same moments, and they went through that. And after attending those seminar about a year, I was able to become a leaders club member. Okay, who need to have who's earning about 500,000 peso of monthly income, right?
저는 코로나 작년 1년을 지나고 지금도 지나고 있으면서 애터미를 만난 게 하늘이 저에게 준 기회였구나. 너무너무 감사하게 생각하고 있습니다.
So Atomy is God-given opportunity for me, okay? And even this time of pandemic, I'm really feeling it with my heart that it was given by God and as a biggest opportunity for my life.
돈을 많이 벌어서 감사한 게 아니라 너무나도 시대에 잘 맞는 이 일을 하나님이 저하고 인연을 맺게 해주시고 내가 이 일을 할 수 있게 해주신 게 이게 너무 감사한 거예요.
It's not the amount of income that I'm having right now. I'm happy, but that's not the reason why I'm thanking God, okay, for me to be in an Atomy business because this is perfect business model in this era, right? This everything is changing so fast, new trends and everything. But Atomy personal platform business is perfect business model for this generation.
여러분, 애터미를 만난 여러분들은 저는 분명히 운이 좋은 사람들이라고 생각을 합니다. 이 안에서 배우셔서 꼭 여러분 걸 만드셔서 멋진 성공자가 되시길 바라며 마치겠습니다. 감사합니다.
So we're in same opportunity, okay, God-given opportunity, and this is biggest opportunity in my life that you're in Atomy. So it means, and it proves that everyone here who's attending these meetings, this seminar, you're the lucky ones, right? And I really want you to be diligent, right? And be passionate for you to win your system and win your big success in Atomy, right? Thank you everyone for listening. And that'll be all for my lecture today. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.